back for lesson 3.1. So we're going to take that same solution that I just made a minute ago in getting started. And I wanted to ask you the question, what do you think is going to happen to this solution if I pour it into the funnel? So this is copper sulfate. So I'm going to go ahead and take a funnel and filter paper. I'm going to put it in a test tube. And then I'm going to pour through the solution into the test tube. So before I do that though, I want you to think about what is going to happen as I pour this through the test tube. What are your predictions that are going to happen when I put this solution into the funnel? What is going to be left behind in the funnel, and is there anything that's going to come out below the funnel? So go ahead and record your prediction first, and then if you need to, pause the video. And then now I'm going to go ahead and pour in this solution that I've made. So take a look. Notice some of the crystals are going to come through. And what ended up happening as I poured that solution through the funnel. Okay, next up, I'm going to take about 1 lab scoop full of zinc oxide. I'm going to put it in about 25 mLs of water in a beaker. Okay, and then I'm just going to slowly stir it, and I want you to take a look at what is happening as I stir it. What do you notice is happening to the water? Okay. So the same thing here, I want to ask you the question, what do you think is going to happen when I take this same solution, or a different solution, and this time I'm going to put it in a test tube with a piece of funnel paper and a funnel in it as well? What do you think is going to happen here? So again, if you need to pause the video, pause for your predictions, take a look at the solution. What do you think is going to happen? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour in this mixture here. What do you think is going to happen? Is the same thing going to happen here as it did with the copper 2 sulfate? So I'm going to pour all of that in. Going in through the funnel. And take a look at what comes out below. Is it the same type of mixture, or do you think something was filtered out? Can you think of how filtration actually affects different mixtures? How did it affect these two different mixtures? And are there other properties of solutions that you can think of that you could use in these cases?